Will AI create a work of art that will be hung next to the Mona Lisa at the Louvre? How soon will we protect AI works of art more than Picasso's works of art? Can algorithms evoke emotions and tell stories like a human painter or sculptor? Stick around as we unravel the mysteries and controversies surrounding AI-generated art. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's been buzzing in the art world. Is AI better than people at art? Let's explore the technical, creative, ethical and societal aspects of AI in art to uncover the truth behind this question. When comparing AI-generated art to human-created art, several specific aspects come into focus. AI can produce visually stunning pieces that often rival human art in immediate aesthetic appeal. The precision and intricacy achieved by AI algorithms can be mesmerizing, showcasing a level of technical skill that is undeniably impressive. However, human-created art tends to excel in conveying profound emotions, narratives, and unique experiences, which are integral to deeper art appreciation. Human artists infuse their work with personal meaning, cultural context, and subjective interpretation, creating a connection with viewers that goes beyond visual appeal. AI algorithms generate art by analyzing vast data sets of existing artworks to learn styles, techniques, and patterns. These algorithms, such as those used by platforms like Artbreeder, can then create new images by combining and modifying elements from the learned data. The speed and efficiency of AI in generating complex compositions are remarkable, but it often struggles to imbue its creations with the same level of intentionality and emotional resonance that human artists naturally incorporate. But can AI-generated art truly evoke emotions and tell stories like human art? Let's find out. The ethical considerations surrounding AI-generated art are complex and multifaceted, touching on issues of authorship, ownership, and attribution. One of the primary concerns is determining who owns the rights to an AI-generated artwork. Is it the programmer who created the algorithm, the user who provided the prompts, or the AI itself? This ambiguity complicates intellectual property rights and raises questions about the value of human creativity in the digital age. Audiences' perceptions of AI-generated art vary widely, often influenced by the context in which the art is presented. While some appreciate the technical prowess and innovative aspects of AI art, others view it as lacking the emotional depth and intentionality that characterize human-created works. Studies have shown that people tend to value artworks more highly when they believe they were created by humans, attributing greater beauty, profundity, and worth to these pieces. This bias underscores the importance of transparency in the creation and presentation of AI art, ensuring that audiences are aware of the role AI played in the artistic process. The potential implications of AI on the future of art are profound, with both opportunities and challenges on the horizon. AI has the potential to democratize art creation, making it accessible to a broader audience and fostering new forms of artistic expression. However, there are concerns about the homogenization of styles and the loss of the human touch, which could diminish the diversity and richness of artistic traditions. The economic landscape of the art industry may also be affected, as AI-generated art could disrupt traditional markets and impact the livelihoods of human artists. Policymakers and stakeholders must navigate these ethical, legal, and societal implications carefully to promote responsible and sustainable artistic practices that preserve cultural identities and support the creative community. But it's not all challenges. Let's talk about collaboration and perspectives in AI art. Successful collaborations between AI and human artists are becoming increasingly common, showcasing the potential for technology to enhance creative expression. For instance, artist Colleen Hoffenbacher has integrated AI into her digital process, blending cutting-edge technology with traditional artistic techniques to create unique works that are both innovative and emotionally resonant. Similarly, Emily, a budding visual artist, used Google's Deep Dream to generate abstract patterns that inspired new dimensions in her traditional paintings. These collaborations highlight how AI can serve as a powerful tool for artists, enabling them to explore new creative territories and push the boundaries of their imagination. The perspectives of artists, critics, and scholars on the role of AI in the art world are diverse and shape the ongoing discourse. Some artists appreciate the novel possibilities AI offers, viewing it as a collaborator that can enhance their creative process. Critics, however, often express concerns about the authenticity and emotional depth of AI-generated art, arguing that it lacks the unique human touch that characterizes traditional artworks. Scholars are also divided, with some emphasizing the need for clear guidelines and legal frameworks to address issues of authorship and ownership in AI-assisted creativity. These varied viewpoints contribute to a rich and complex dialogue about the future of art in the age of AI. So how can we ensure AI-enhanced art remains authentic and culturally relevant? The accessibility and democratization of AI tools are significantly impacting the diversity and inclusivity of artistic expression, opening up new avenues for creativity across various demographics. AI-powered art creation platforms, such as Runway and Starry AI, have made it possible for individuals with limited artistic training to generate visually striking images and designs. This democratization of art creation tools has led to a surge in artistic output from a broader range of people, including those who may have previously felt excluded from traditional art circles due to a lack of formal training or resources. However, this increased accessibility comes with both opportunities and challenges for artistic expression. On one hand, it allows for greater representation and inclusion in the artistic community, enabling voices and perspectives that might have been marginalized to find expression. For example, AI tools can help overcome linguistic, cultural, and geographic barriers that often prevent artists from accessing resources to create their art. This diversity in art production leads to a richer tapestry of creative works, reflecting a wider range of human experiences and viewpoints. On the other hand, the widespread use of AI in art creation raises concerns about the potential homogenization of artistic styles and the loss of unique cultural expressions. As AI models are trained on existing artworks, there's a risk that they may perpetuate certain biases or dominant artistic trends, potentially overshadowing more diverse or unconventional forms of expression. Additionally, the ease of creating AI-generated art may lead to an oversaturation of content, making it more challenging for truly innovative and culturally significant works to stand out. As society grapples with these implications, it becomes crucial to find ways to harness the democratizing power of AI while preserving and promoting the rich diversity of human artistic expression. In conclusion, the question, is AI better than humans at art, doesn't have a simple answer. While AI excels in technical precision, human artists bring unique experiences and emotions to their work. The key is finding a balance that leverages AI's capabilities while preserving the richness of human creativity. What are your thoughts on AI in art? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep creating and exploring.